Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So if you've been here before, then you probably have seen my part 1 and part 2 of the Alexis Ren 30-day ab challenge. And she recently came out with a beach booty workout routine, and I didn't do this one for 30 days, but I thought it would be kind of fun to switch it up and do this butt routine but incorporate weights to it instead. In her video, she doesn't do it with any weights, but I wanted to kind of challenge myself, and I thought it would be fun to see how it would go down with weights included. So I filmed this workout earlier today, and I must say that it was actually a lot more challenging than I originally thought it would be. I was like dripping sweat by the end of it, so adding the weights definitely makes things a lot more difficult. So if you're looking for a good challenge, definitely recommend trying that out. Now, before anyone decides to point it out in the comment section, I know I don't have perfect form on every workout. I'm just super inflexible, even though I stretch every day, so it is what it is. If you don't like it, sorry, nothing I can really do about it. Before we get into it, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click that little bell so you never miss one of my videos. And if you liked this video and you thought it was useful, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's get right on into this workout.